and I didn't know what to do. I couldn't catch it.
Yeah, he's down in here. He going here?
No, he went back in that way. But I don't know, he could have went in there. I don't think so. I think I saw him go in there.
It was so pretty.
Yeah, it was.
First racer I've ever seen out here.
Well, sorry for all that confusion.
Yeah, he's long gone. He might.
Yeah. Oh, look, there he is! Look.
What are you doing out here? You're supposed to be at arms. I know, buddy. What are you holding your side for? You gonna go do the sleeping thing?
It's cute, baby. Oh, I love you. Look at him.
That's just a biker.
Damn biker.
We hate him too. It's okay.
Look at him walking.
Rub my belly. Rub the belly.
No, because you're gonna latch onto my finger and then you're gonna flip yourself over.
No.
And scratch under the chin. You're okay. You're alright. There's your lifer. Promise kept.
Promise kept.
Oh my God, Jordan. Why is it the cutest thing ever? Oh my God, I love it so much.
Look at his floppy cell.
Jordan, how did you even see
I
that?
just saw something stretched down the road and I'm like, there's no vines that are that green.
No.
And it was periscoping, which they do that. Its head lifted up.
Yep.
They'll do that to scout out the area.
Oh my God, I love its tiny head.
Look at him trying to crawl.
See, it's going in your ear.
Yeah, look into your ear.
First rough green that we found on this channel. Second one I've ever seen live in my entire life. Hang on, keep it right there. I want to get that picture. Good job. Last one I saw was actually at Snake Road back in like 2009. And these are the coolest out of the colubrids that we have in East Tennessee. Because they are unlike any other snake that we have here, because of the simple fact that they are insectivores, which means they only eat insects. That's the only thing they eat. And they're arboreal, so you notice whenever it starts moving how it bobs that head back and forth. Whenever there's a bit of wind or it feels kind of threatened, it'll bob that head back and forth like that, and they flick their tongue out straight. They don't wiggle it around because they don't want any motion, so that they can blend in better with their camouflage. But they'll do that to blend in with the vines and the leaves and stuff like that that they're in. And so perfectly camouflage that crazy green pattern with that little bit of yellow on the belly. Like, you can't see them unless I've never found one in an actual bush. I've only found them on trails or a Snake Road. It was on the bluff. Oh yeah.
Jordan promised that we could find one. And we wanted to find one here. Not on Snake Road.
Literally just talked about that like 30 minutes ago. Oh, you can get it.
Well, it wasn't focusing.
Are you gonna take some pictures of it with your real camera?
Oh yeah. No, do you want to let her go? Pure lifer.
Oh yeah, she's gonna be.
I'd say just
Was she? Oh, she was trying to go this way, right?
yeah. Put her up here, and then you get to watch her kind of climb. If you actually just hold her out a little bit, feels, yep, he stretches out.
Oh my God.
Look how beautiful. That perfect angel. Look at that. You just never know.